Line that broke just this afternoon. I want to put this tweet up here. We have from the New York Times that the music mogul Sean Combs, otherwise known as Diddy, was accused of rape and abuse in a lawsuit filed by the singer Cassie. Entertainment headline that broke just this afternoon. I want to put this tweet up here. We have from the New York Times that the music mogul Sean Combs, otherwise known as Diddy, was accused of rape and abuse in a lawsuit filed by the singer Cassie, his former girlfriend. So this is what we know as well. Take a look at this. So a former girlfriend there, Cassie, of Sean Diddy Combs, is suing the Grammy-winning artist, alleging years of abuse. The lawsuit filed today by that R&B singer, Cassie, alleges Diddy raped and beat her and forced her to have sex with male prostitutes while he filmed it. Cassie, whose legal name is Cassandra Ventura, was signed to Diddy's label, Bad Boy Records, when she was just 19 years old and he was 37. They dated on and off for about 10 years. So Cassie, in this lawsuit, Ventura seeking $30 million in damages. Now, we want to talk about this even further. This is getting a lot of attention, especially online, with our friend, legal affairs journalist Meghann Cuniff. She joins me now. Meghann, good to see you. Thanks so much for being with us here. Okay, so I thought about this today. Yet another major story. Meghann Cuniff is going to be all over here. So, Meghann, my first question to you is, let's talk about these developments. Cassie and Diddy split back in 2018. She has since gotten married. She has 2 children of her own with her current partner. I think a lot of people watching this today, listening to this news, are probably asking of themselves, well, why now, Cassie Ventura? Why now? Oh, Meghann, I think you're muted there, actually.
And, you know, I think that actually comes with time, that it takes time to detach yourself from the situation, realize what happened, and actually take the step to deal with it. And I think the statute of limitations, some of the California law cited in there is something new in the last few years that allows these cases to be brought under the rape cover-up law. So there's legal precedent and a legal procedure for her to pursue this right now. And I think we see this a lot in sexual assault cases where we don't hear about this until maybe years after it happens.
Yeah, we're just playing some of this file footage as well. And like I said, you've been following this so closely. Do we know who some of the lawyers involved in this are? Are they somewhat high-powered? Do they do a lot of this, especially in the entertainment industry? If you do know that, Meghann, what other cases possibly have they prosecuted?
Yeah, Cassie's lead lawyer is Douglas Wigder, who's done quite a few cases. He's represented victims of Harvey Weinstein. He's represented victims of the IMF President Dominique Strauss, who was caught up in sexual assault allegations a few years ago, Dominique Strauss-Kahn. So he has a ton of experience with this stuff and really reputation as being pretty aggressive. His role in the Harvey Weinstein case, he was representing some of Weinstein's accusers, and he actually objected to a settlement that had been entered, saying that he didn't think it went far enough, and he wanted to be a little bit more aggressive about things.
Okay, and Meghann, we are getting a statement in. Benjamin Braffman, a lawyer for Combs, denying the allegations, saying, quote, "For the past 6 months, Combs has been subjected to Miss Ventura's persistent demand of $30 million under the threat of writing a damaging book about their relationship, which was unequivocally rejected as blatant blackmail, rather. She has now resorted to filing a lawsuit riddled with baseless and outrageous lies aiming to tarnish Combs's reputation and seeking a payday." So that's what Combs's attorney is kind of alleging here about Cassie Ventura's, motivations for filing this as well. That's to be expected, right?
Yeah, I think this is definitely the time for them to come out and really push back in press statements like that. And obviously there's been so much going on behind the scenes with just the preparation of the lawsuit. Like Ben Brafman said, all the negotiations or demands, as he said, and then just the way this was orchestrated in the press, the way they contacted reporters ahead of time to make sure that they knew that this lawsuit was coming and had all the press statements ready. I think everybody is really, really press ready for this, and the way they're pushing back on this is kind of to be expected of Brafman, who goes back who has represented a lot of celebrities and also goes way back with Diddy himself, Puff Daddy himself.
I mean,
he actually represented him in his assault case, a criminal assault case back in 2001, and got him acquitted. So he's been Puff Daddy's lawyer for quite a while.
Okay, that was my next question. I mean, Diddy's no stranger to legal troubles, and so it would seem like his team kind of throws themselves into high gear, into action when allegations like this are made with this pretty damning lawsuit. These allegations are really, really disturbing here. And so I guess what I'm getting at is, Diddy's maybe used to this, or is that too strong?
Sorry, you cut out there. I don't think I got your question there. Sorry.
Oh, okay. No, Meghann, I was just saying, I mean, Diddy has been through the legal rigmarole before. He's had a lot of allegations, a lot of suits against him. He's gone to trial before for a various number of things. Is he used to this, is what I'm asking. All right, looks like we did possibly lose Meghann.
Yeah, I've become a little more...
All right, I think we got Meghann there. Meghann, you can respond.
Yeah, I'm here if you guys are here.
Yes, we have you.
Yeah, so I think, and I think he's definitely used to legal problems like this, but this is definitely a major lawsuit that isn't just going to go away. And now there are rumblings that there is maybe perhaps an accompanying police investigation into this, that New York City Police Department is looking into some of the allegations, especially from Cassie in the later years of the relationship, that would not be outside of a statute of limitations. So I think this could become a lot bigger for him before it goes away.
All right, and I guess since this is so new, Meghann, what will we be looking for in the next couple of days and weeks ahead? This is going to be something, no doubt, you'll follow very closely, tooth and nail.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we're going to be seeing a notice of appearance. They'll be summoned and actually served with the complaint if that hasn't happened yet already. And then there will be an answer to the complaint filed that will be a pretty routine, factual denial of certain allegations. Maybe they'll admit some here and there, but the big allegations, the liability allegations here, I think we're going to see denied across the board. And I wouldn't really expect anything much to happen with this until early next year. I think we'll see litigation really start to pick up probably late winter, early spring of 2024.
All right, Meghann Cuniff, as always, we appreciate your insight into this. I think we'll be talking about this in the days and weeks and months ahead. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
And let's bring about this